Hello, my name is Hilary Padilla-Gonzalez, Chief Content Officer of Verizon's marketing team. I have gathered us today in order to present an executive summary for a content calendar proposal. The purpose of this proposal is to communicate the importance of integrating an SaaS marketing support tool. The Percolate software service has been selected to support key business objectives while demonstrating great value to marketing teams across all channels. An analysis of our current and future content needs will be made to show the benefits of integrating the cloud-based software. Additionally, implementation cost of the tool will be described as well as a free demo request option for the service. As our business continues to grow at a rapid rate, simplifying our marketing complexities is going to be needing a greater focus now more than ever. As we launch new products, services, and network enhancements such as Hum and 5G, it is imperative for our company to streamline content distribution that is consistent and coherent in messaging structure and branding. As our content continues to grow, implementation of content governance must follow. This means that all departments and content curators must accessibly manage and observe distribution that aligns with timeline dates and responsibilities. Our main goal with the content calendar proposal is to ensure organization of content is maintained while producing effective content to all distribution channels and platforms. One of the most important questions to ask is, how do our customers find out about us? The answer to this question is simple. It's marketing. Our current and future content needs will need to be maximized on all existing platforms, aligned through multi-channel processing, and require preparation for the future. Maximizing existing and trending platforms consists of constant updating and distribution to social media platforms, our company's website, and our My Verizon mobile app. Alignment of multi-channel content initiatives can be related but not limited to Verizon Connect, humanability efforts and initiatives, advocacy programs, products and services, and network reliability and strength. Our company's future preparation consists of strategizing a plan to adapt to trending platforms, tracking data across our growing and diverse business, and creating and distributing relevant content across updated platforms and channels. Our business needs can be accomplished through the integration of Percolate software service. The software system allows for planning and management of content between various digital distribution platforms with 24/7 customer and technical service assistance, data tracking across organization and marketing processes, increased coordination of department executive and creators through permissions, viewings, and accessibility through the publishing process, as well as orchestrating alignment of multi-channel campaigns, resulting in productively strengthening our brand, safety, and scaling customer relationships. Percolate software is a trusted brand that our business can depend on. The world's leading brands, such as Cisco and Cigna, utilize Percolate to gain visibility into marketing activities, coordinate project management, and standardize complex processes. The implementation costs for Percolate are determined by a subscription basis at a rate that suits our organization's structure. Structuring is categorized by the number of brands and regional markets in which our company operates, the number of users, and the access permissions and roles within the Percolate system, all of which are designed to maximize return on investment for our company initiatives. A demo request option is also available to ensure the software as a service is the right tool for our company's needs and size. I would like to thank you all for this time and would like to answer any questions now at this point that anyone may have.